What's going on, Daytona fans? Welcome back to another quick video, and in this one I need your help. That's right, I'm asking for your help, and what I need help on is deciding what mod to get next. Now there are two that I'm keeping in mind, and you know what, I'd love your opinion. The first one would be a strut bar, a front strut bar, and the reason for this is it should increase my grip, especially during my daily driving. I do like to turn the car you know, a little bit hard sometimes, but I do feel that body roll. Even though my car is lowered, I still feel some of that body roll, and I know with a front strut bar it'll reduce it even more, and that's awesome. My next mod I was considering is a rear differential brace. Now the reason for this is because the rear differential has a couple of bushings, and those bushings is providing slack for when the differential moves during hard acceleration. And the reason why this exists is because those bushings dampen vibration. It creates a better ride in the cabin, reduce noise and reduce vibration. And I know with the diff brace, it'll increase the vibration, which is okay. It's not really that big of a deal to the point where you can't drive the car anymore. And the reason why I want the brace is because, well, I take it to the drag strip and I do want the best time possible. With that brace, it'll reduce vibration to the differential, which translates into wheel hop. And if I can reduce wheel hop, I can increase the grip. And increased grip means a higher RPM launch and, of course, a better time. So in the comment section below, let me know what you think I should do first. I'm gonna do them both eventually. Either way, I'm just trying to decide which one to do first. So strut bar or rear differential brace, you let me know. All right, Daytona fans, that's it for this quick video. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.